Basic first aid kit requirements in food and beverage service. In the hospitality and restaurant industry, a well-equipped first aid kit is mandatory to handle minor injuries and emergencies quickly. Here's a basic first aid kit for F&B service. Adhesive bandages, various sizes for small cuts and blisters. Sterile gauze pads, to cover wounds and stop bleeding. Adhesive tape, for securing dressings. Antiseptic wipes/solution, e.g., iodine, alcohol wipes, for cleaning wounds. Burn gel or burn dressing, for kitchen burns, very common in F&B. Scissors and tweezers, for cutting bandages or removing splinters. Disposable gloves, to maintain hygiene while treating injuries. Elastic bandages, for sprains or strains. Cold pack, instant ice pack, for burns, bruises, swelling. Eye wash/saline solution, for chemical or spice splashes. 6. Scissors and tweezers, for cutting bandages or removing splinters. 7. Disposable gloves, to maintain hygiene while treating injuries. 8. Elastic bandages, for sprains or strains. 9. Cold pack, instant ice pack, for burns, bruises, swelling. 10. Eye wash/saline solution, for chemical or spice splashes. CPR face shield/mask, for safe resuscitation. Finger cots/finger bandages, especially important in kitchens to cover cuts. Thermometer, for checking temperature in case of illness. Pain relievers, paracetamol, ibuprofen, for minor pain/fever. First aid manual/instruction sheet, quick reference guide. Extra considerations for F&B service. First aid kit should always be accessible, labeled, and regularly checked. Staff should receive basic first aid training, especially in handling burns and cuts. No loose cotton wool, as it may stick to wounds and contaminate food areas. Always maintain separate plasters, blue-colored preferred in kitchens, so they're easily visible if they fall into food. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more hospitality tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, like, comment and share with your friends and others.